Hi, it's Dee from Simply Dee Beauty. Today's video is really exciting because I want to share with you, for the first time I'm trying this brand, and I'm going to share with you the unboxing and first try-ons of the new launch by Lisa Eldridge. I have the box right here. It's full of goodies. I did open it last night. I did take a sneak peek, but I haven't tried anything of the products. So here's what the box looks like in case you haven't seen it. It's Lisa Eldridge with her emblem, and it says, "I can't wait to see your photos. Please tag me." And my shipping boxes and tissue papers are recyclable, so please recycle them. Yes, yes, ma'am. So here's what it looks inside. It's wrapped with tissue paper, and here are the goodies, if you could see that. So let me show you one by one what I got. There was a gift with purchase, makeup bag of your choice with every certain amount. I don't remember what amount, but it was one for every certain amount, and I was able to get two. So I'm gonna put one aside for a giveaway. So let me put this one aside, and I'll unbox the one that I'm gonna use for myself, as long as everything else. So let me take it all out. Really excited because it's the first time I use anything from the brand, and I've heard so many great things of her products that I'm naturally excited. Let me open the makeup bag. It is velvety. There was choices of like black and red, if I'm not mistaken, and I chose this one, which is flowers. Very nice. It's very soft, and it's pretty big, so it's perfect for the bag, for the purse. I think it's really adorable. Really adorable. So let's get right into the products. I got a highlighter, a blush, 3 lipsticks, and a lip gloss. The first thing is the Elevated Glow. This is the highlighter, and I also got Enlivening Blush. I got the highlighter in Crystal Nebula. I have the blush in Dante's Dream. The gloss, I got the shade Ribbon. And the lipsticks, I got Rose Official, or Official. I'm sorry, I'm trying to be French here. Atomic Cherry, and Painterly. Now I got a message that's saying that Painterly was going to be sent separately. I guess not. So this is all I'm getting. Cool. So let's open the packaging. I do like the packaging. Is very just, I think, in a way, just simple but elegant at the same time, because it does have the gold lettering, and all the packaging is recyclable, which is really cool. And they're all made in Italy, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, everything is made in Italy. Alright, so the highlighter is in Crystal Nebula. I remember in her launch video, if you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link down below, but in Lisa's launch video, she does mention all the skincare benefits that the highlighter has. So she likes to use it under makeup, under foundation, under everything, and then she'll do a little more drops after. I already have my foundation on. It's very light. It's a Chantecaille cushion foundation. I used it today on purpose because it's very light, and I really want these products to stand out. I'm not going to use it as she showed in the video. I'm going to use it just over my skin, but it's supposed to have like tightening effects, and she explains it very well. So I'm going to put the link down below in the description box so you guys could check it out. So let's open it up. This is what the packaging looks like. It looks like it's frosted glass, and the shelf life, I saw it was 12 months. It's a lot of products for 12 months, but I have a feeling I'm going to be using it for a while. So, that I'm going to be using it a lot. Let's open it up. It's not a pump. It's a dofa applicator. It doesn't have any fragrance per se, but it does have a scent. Like very fresh, very clean. I like that. Let me put it in the back of my hand to swatch it to show you guys what it looks like. See there in the middle? It's subtle. It's not super flashy, but it's perfect. Very pretty. So let me try now on my face. Here in my cheeks, just a couple of drops, or dots, yeah. I'm gonna use my finger. I know you could use a brush, but I'm gonna use my finger for now, and then in maybe other times I'll use my brush. So it does give you this really nice glow. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it does, and it looks very natural, like a wet look. I don't have any powder on, so I don't know how this would react on top of powder, but I didn't put on powder this time, because with a cushion foundation, I don't think I need to settle the foundation. I think I could go and apply a little bit more. Let me get a little bit more. And then some here on my forehead, my nose, and I'm not gonna try any new eyeshadows today, so I'm thinking of using the blush as a eyeshadow to see if that works well, and then I'll use the highlighter as to highlight my brow bone. Just thought of that and see how that works. So here's some on my nose, and then some on my forehead where I normally would put highlighter. Just to give me this natural looking glow, a glow within. And if you put it on your bare skin, you'll have more skincare benefits because there's tightening, and it also helps with just general skin health. I might have gone it too low with the highlighter, but you know, it's fine. I think it's fine, right? What do you guys think? It's very glowy. Put on my glasses because I can't see without my glasses. I think it's gorgeous, and it's so subtle. Like, it looks natural, like it's really me glowing. I wasn't expecting it to be this glossy. The next product that I want to try is the blush. Again, this is what it comes in. It's called the Enlivening Blush, I think that's how you say it, and it's in the shade Dante's Dream. So this is what it looks like, the packaging. It is plastic. It is shelf life is 24 months, a long time, but I've heard that you only need a little bit, again, just a little bit, so it's gonna last me a long time. I'm gonna put it in the back of my hand, just a little drop. Actually, just get a little bit and show you here on the side of my hand. It is very pretty, and it just melts into the skin. That is really pretty. Like, it looks dark when you in the packaging, but then in the hand it really diffuses really nicely. So let me put now on my cheek, just right here, 2 drops. Oh, it's very pigmented, you guys, very pigmented. So I'm gonna have to probably diffuse it with a brush or a sponge. What do you guys think? Doesn't it look like it's just a natural flush? I'm gonna grab a tad and do that thing that I do over my nose to make it look like I was kissed by the sun. I went outside and watered my plants, which I don't do, but I'm just imagining that I do. I go outside and watered my plants, and I got a little bit of sun on my face. I think I could do it a little bit more. I don't have experience with liquid blushes again, so if it's the best, if it's not the best, I don't know, because I don't have a lot to compare to, but so far I like it because it looks like I have nothing on, even close up. Like, there's some glowiness because of the highlighter, but it just feels, it looks like I'm naturally flushed, and I like that very much. I'm gonna put just a little bit like on the center here, and then I'll just diffuse it with my finger. You could even get like some bronzer and just add this like an extra color, but I'm not gonna put any bronzer today. I'm just gonna use Lisa Eldridge, except the foundation, but everything else is gonna be Lisa. So I just give you like this shade of color, some color to your face, and I'm gonna get some of that highlighter again, and I'm gonna apply it as to highlight my brow bone. And if it does have tightening effects, then it's gonna have a tightening effect on my eyelids. Ooh, that is very pretty. I don't know, I hope the camera picks it up, but do you guys see that shimmer, that glowiness? Oh, it's so pretty. I wish you guys could see it in person. If you have these products, you'll be able to test it yourself. I'm gonna go back and a little bit more. It's not gonna hurt. I like the blush, but that highlighter, I just love the highlighter. It is so pretty. What would happen if I put it here in the inner corner? I'm being adventurous here today. It is my first time, first impressions. I actually like it. It gives me like this glowy look. So none of this is planned, you know. I'm just doing it as I go. I'll put the mascara later off camera. So now I want to show you the lip products. I got 3 lipsticks and 1 lip gloss. The lip gloss is in this shade, which is Ribbon. So it's really bright. And then the lipsticks are in the shade Atomic Cherry, Painterly, and Rose Official. I'm going to do a swatching in the back of my hand. This is what it looks like. The lipstick, really pretty gold with her emblem on top. And then, oh, I put it upside down. I'm sorry. Here, Lisa. There you go. And this is the bullet. And it does have her emblem there too. So I'm going to do a swatching in the back of my hand. They feel so buttery. Here is Atomic Cherry. And then Rose Official. I don't detect any scent. So here are the 3 lipsticks. Again, this is... Oh, I got these wrong. Oh my god. This is Painterly. This is Atomic Cherry. And this is Rose Official. I was like looking at it like it doesn't look rose to me. But so this is Painterly, Atomic Cherry, and Rose Official. And now I'm going to do the gloss, which is Ribbon. I'm going to start with Rose Official, which looks like it's the lightest of the 3, and show you guys on my lips. So this is Rose Official. It's obviously has some rose in it, some pink, and they're so buttery. They feel so nice. It's like satin, silky butter heaven. It's so good. This is Rose Official, or Official. I don't know why I keep on saying Official like it's in French or something. Rose Official. Yeah, Rose Official. I'm reading it like it's in Spanish. Rose Official. I'm going to take it off and show you the other one. Okay, next is Painterly. This one has like maybe some plum in it, but it's brown plum. I remember in the video that Lisa did, she showed this one. I believe it was this one. Oh, I didn't show you guys that it's magnetic. Isn't that, I like that. She showed that if you just put it a little bit and just, you know, put together your lips a few times, it just shows like you bit your lip. You know that color your lip gets when you just bit your lip. So it gives you like this natural look. I didn't put it on like that this time, but it's just an idea if you want to look like you have no makeup on. I'm loving this highlighter. Anyways, this is Painterly. It's time to take it off now. Next is Atomic Cherry. Here it is. I think it's so pretty. I think of the 3, this is my favorite one because I do love oranges and red. Because this is red with like a red orange, and it's sheer, like you could see my lips, my skin. So I think it's perfect for summer. It's very light. It feels very nice on the lips. Very smoothing and very buttery. I promised you I was going to swatch all 4. So let me take this off, even though I'm going to end up with this one again. I'm going to swap it off and show you the lip gloss. This one is a pretty color, but it's sheer. So maybe it's nice like to wear on top of another lipstick. But it's very pretty. And it feels really good on the lips as well. I am going to apply mascara off camera and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. Okay, so I'm back. I applied the mascara. I took off the lip gloss and I put back the Atomic Cherry because this is the color that I'm going to stay with. And it's my favorite of the 4, to be honest. This is the one I like. I like all of them, but this is the one I like the most because I do love orange and red. So this is my final look. I do love, look at that highlighter, that glow. I do love it. The blush is really pretty. I just cannot compare it to other liquid blushes because I don't have that many to compare it to. Maybe the Chantecaille one, and I could do a separate video comparing those two if that's something that you want to see. But I do love the fact like it looks nice on my lids. It's just some color, but the highlighter I think for me is the star of the show in my personal opinion. I think it's so pretty and it looks natural, like I'm glowing from within. I like it very, very much. I would like to know what you thought of this video, of these products. If you picked up anything from her line, let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna put the links of everything that I got as well in the description box. I don't know is at the moment that I'm filming this video if any other products are sold out. I haven't checked, but I'll just put the links and I'll let you know in the comments below, in the description box or in a pinned comment if any other products have been sold out. But regardless, I'm gonna leave links for you guys to check it out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.